Hello, my name is Brenda Wright. I am the resource teacher for the 21st Century Community Learning Centers. Today, I'm going to be the facilitator for the 21st Century Community Learning Center Family Orientation, followed by an adult family educational activity titled, Want to Raise Kind Kids? Do This Important Thing. Let's get started. What is the 21st Century Community Learning Centers program? The 21st CCLC program provides opportunities during non-school hours for academic enrichment, including providing tutorial services to help students who experience significant barriers to success improve their academic achievement and social-emotional well-being. The focus of this program is to provide expanded academic enrichment opportunities for children attending Title I or Title I eligible schools. The 21st CCLC grant is authorized under the Title IV, Part B of the Elementary and Secondary Education Act, as amended by Every Student Succeeds Act. The 21st CCLC program, along with community partners, deliver hands-on academic and personal enrichment opportunities to each student enrolled in our programs. Students will have daily academic activities that include enhanced learning opportunities, mentoring, remediation, and tutoring services that will align to Florida state standards for ELA, math, and science. Program overview: community partners, adult family educational activities, badging activities, academic objectives and homework help, parent responsibility and support. Community partners. Brevard After School 21st CCLC programs have worked successfully with community agencies and resources for 13 years. This year, we will continue our partnership virtually with the following community partners. Boy Scouts of America will be serving our schools with a Cub Scout program for all students. The program will meet bi-weekly for 1 hour at each school and provide enrichment activities to include STEAM and skill-based development for actively participating 21st CCLC students. University of Florida Brevard 4-H will provide a series of environmental education activities such as gardening lessons, outdoor explorations, and orienteering skills. UFIFAS will also deliver a family nutrition program that encourages nutrition, physical activity, and food preparation and food safety lessons. Girl Scouts. Some of our schools will have groups providing enrichments such as leadership skills, lessons on courage, confidence, and character while supporting progress toward the academic and personal objectives of the grant. Other community partners include Brevard County Solid Waste, which will provide education on recycling and waste reduction in their communities. Brevard County Sheriff's Office will provide an educational lesson on teamwork. Students will be engaged and will be able to interact with Brevard County Sheriff officers and staff while using resources of the department to show how teams work together. Our community partners work closely with our team throughout the year to ensure the best outcome for our students and program sustainability. Please remember that our partners have a pre-planned schedule to visit our programs. Please check with your program coordinator to make sure your child doesn't miss any activities. Adult family educational activities. Each year, our programs host several adult family member educational activities. Adult family members are expected to attend at least 2 educational activities yearly. Examples of adult educational activities: Science Fair, Family Math Night, Eureka Math, Family Game Night, Kids in the Kitchen, Family STEM Night, Summer Slide, 5 Ways to Reduce Test Anxiety in Kids, Family Literacy Night, Family Reading Night. Parent requirements. Agree to communicate with 21st CCLC staff when my child will be absent from the program and prior to withdrawal from the program. Agree to communicate any changes in contract information to 21st CCLC program coordinator, change of address, phone number, etc. Agree to communicate relevant information such as changes at home, difficulties at school, etc. to 21st Century program staff which may affect the attitude or behavior of my child so that 21st Century staff can better support my child and family. Agree to attend parent meetings and family night events. Parent requirements continued. Agree to support my child by attending a minimum of 2 adult workshops over the course of the school year. Agree to participate in the 21st CCLC parent survey to help the program monitor my child's progress and gain feedback to improve programming. Agree that my child must participate in this program every school day, and the BASA program closes at 6 p.m. by the center's clock. This is an educational enrichment program for services that are provided on all school days until 6 p.m. I understand that pickup does not begin prior to 5:47 p.m. Continued absences or early pickups, 9 per semester, and late pickups, 2 per semester, or 3 per school year, whichever comes first, may result in the discontinuation of services. Next, let's begin our first adult family educational activity of the year. It's titled, Want to Raise Kind Kids? Do This Important Thing. We've all felt the power of kindness. Whether you're giving or receiving a kind act, you experienced a feeling that's best described as warm and fuzzy. Behind that warm, fuzzy feeling is neurochemistry. Kindness stimulates the production of feel-good chemicals like serotonin, oxytocin, and dopamine. So if you want to raise kind children, educate them about the science of kindness. They will begin to realize their kind acts have a significant, almost magical power, impacting not only people around them, but also themselves directly. How to explain the science of kindness to kids. Start by asking children, why is it important to be kind to others? Many children will struggle to give a concrete response to this question. They know that being kind is the right thing to do, but they probably don't understand why it's so important. Your explanation of the benefits of kindness will depend on the age of the children. Children of all ages. Explain that the benefits of kindness are experienced by the person who receives the kindness, the person who offers kindness, and anyone who witnesses the kind act. Studies have shown that the effect in the brain is the same for all parties. Explain that everyone who feels the benefits of the kind act will be inspired to pay it forward by being kind themselves. So, just one kind act can spread to many people. Demonstrate this effect to children by lining up and knocking down dominoes, causing a chain reaction. Alternatively, have children drop pebbles or other items into a container of water, then observe how the water is affected by the object. Discuss examples from movies and books that showcase characters who are kind. See Parent Resource page for books about kindness. As a family, create a kindness jar and add acts of kindness such as leave someone a note, hold the door open for someone, create care packages, give a compliment, bring dinner to someone, smile, tell a family member how much you love them, do a chore for a neighbor, pick up litter, give a hug, volunteer, do a chore without being asked, write a letter, visit a nursing home, or create your own. Once a week, each family member talks about what they did to show kindness to others. Younger children. To younger children, say that kindness makes people healthier, happier, and more relaxed. You can explain kindness is a superpower that helps others and changes the world for the better. Be sure to check out the list of kindness books. You will find many great book titles and ideas to help children embrace the concept of being kind to themselves, others, and our planet. Older children. Discuss the chemicals released when we see, experience, or witness acts of kindness. Serotonin increases happiness and helps with appetite, sleep, and memory. Endorphins trigger positive feelings and are natural painkillers. They help people feel relaxed and full of energy. Oxytocin reduces blood pressure and protects the heart. It produces a feeling of love and satisfaction that helps people build trust and form bonds. You can mention a giver's high to older children. A giver's high is comparable to the runner's high. When people give charitable donations, for example, they experience the same endorphin rush that runners get. Research shows that it's not the size of the donation that matters, but the act of giving itself. Next steps. Simply hearing about the benefits of kindness might not be enough to inspire your child to perform kind acts, but it will lay an important foundation in their brain. Once you've explained the benefits, be sure to model kind words and deeds yourself. Acknowledge and celebrate when you notice children being kind. Practicing random acts of kindness is a wonderful way to put what you've learned about kindness into action. Encourage children to practice random acts of kindness or have a random act of kindness challenge. Remind them that when they're kind to someone, that person is likely to be kind to someone else, and so on. Some ideas include holding up the door for someone, giving compliments, smiling at others. Smiles are contagious too. Do a chore or task for someone without telling them, leaving happy notes around your home, picking up litter, writing a thank you note to someone who isn't thanked often enough, talking to someone new at school, sending a card to a military service member, planting something. As your children develop the habit of kindness, their kindness will spread everywhere they go. We can create a kinder, happier, and healthier world for our children to live, learn, and grow, one kind act at a time. For more information on this topic, you can visit Big Life Journal. Thank you for taking time to join us for this family workshop. We hope you have found valuable information to implement as a family.